In this video, I'll be demonstrating to you why you should not be clicking links and also some of the things you can see or make sure you pay attention to so that you not get hacked with this kind of method. So as you can see here, I've got Kali Linux running here and I've got a very special tool that will allow me to do special things. So now from here, we're going to do a demonstration on this. So now I would select it like that. Then I'll go with a traditional login page like that. I can press enter. Then here I'll go with my local host since I'm testing this on my local machine to just demonstrate to you what is the danger of clicking links. So now if I go with the first one here, I've been given this link. So usually this link will be something very different from that. Since this is on my local machine, that's why it's like that. So I'll just copy this. So this would be attached to an email or any other thing that it would be attached to. So now if I open up my browser here, I'll just leave it here on the side. So as you can see now from here, if I just paste this link that we've copied from here and we can just paste it here. So as you can see, if I make this big, you'll notice that this looks exactly like the actual site itself, everything just looks legit. But now what will happen is that, for example, you put in your information, you just type in your info like that, then you press login. So I want you to pay attention to what happens to my Kali Linux machine here. If I press login here and I just cancel this, since that is wrong, and if it's wrong, it would give them a chance to report the information, but that information will continue being sent here until we cancel this link in operation. So for example, I'll go back. Now for example here, as you can see, we have the victim's actual IP address and we also have the actual details for that account, as you can see. So this is why it's very important that you do not just click any link that you see, because this is very dangerous and it can cost you a lot of things. So now you've seen the damage that this can cost. How can you spot something like this? So for example, usually one of the most important things that you also want to pay attention to is at the beginning of the URL here, you want to make sure that there is this log, but it's in green or there's no X or any other mark on it. So that indicates that that connection is using HTTPS, which is a secure connection unlike HTTP. And also one of the other things that you want to pay attention to is the actual URL that it's taking you to. So when you look at the URL, you want to make sure that that is the original URL that it should take you to. So for example, if it's Google, it should be www.google.com or facebook.com, nothing more, no other characters involved. If it has something else involved with it, you would want to make sure that you do not click on it because that will cost you a lot of things. And also I'll be releasing a new video demonstrating to you what are some of the hacks that these people use and how you can spot them so that you cannot get hacked with this method. So if you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more tips like this. See you in the next video.